Welcome to my channel. At the end you can support by subscribing and turning on notification bell. Today's tutorials is how to make a Morse code converter application in Android using Java. We go to our Sketchware app and click on the Fab button to create an app. I named mine Morse code because of this video. Click Create App. Make sure you have the file Morse code, Java included in your project. Now in our main.xml add the editText view a horizontal linear layout and two buttons, button 1 and button 2. In our button onClick add the following codes. To make editText fill the whole screen, make the weight property of editText 1 is 1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.